3ds Max versus Enscape 3D. Let's start with 3ds Max. It's a professional 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software developed by Autodesk. It's heavily used in industries such as architecture, product design, game development, and film for creating highly detailed and photorealistic visuals. So what it offers is advanced polygon spline and NURBS modeling tools. It also has integration with Arnold Renderer for realistic outputs. It even has a powerful animation and rigging systems, and they also offer a wide plugin support and scripting with Max Script, and it works seamlessly with other Autodesk tools like AutoCAD and Revit. The only problem is, it is expensive with a subscription pricing and they have a steep learning curve for beginners. Now, Enscape, on the other hand, is a real-time rendering and virtual reality plugin for architectural visualization. It integrates directly with design tools like Revit, integrates with SketchUp, Rhino, and ArchiCAD, and even Vectorworks to produce high-quality renders instantly without exporting to another platform. So what it offers is real-time rendering directly from your design software. It also has a VR walkthrough, support for immersive presentations. It even is easy to use with the interface with minimal setup required, and they have a built-in asset library for quick scene population. The only problem is they have limited modeling capabilities, and the rendering quality is not as customizable as offline renderers, and it requires a good GPU for smooth performance. So in conclusion, choose 3ds Max if you want complex modeling, animations, and detailed visual effects. And then it's ideal to use Enscape if you're ideal for architects and designers who need quick, real-time rendering and VR experience without deep technical knowledge.